Kasi yung makasama niya, nakastart na ng school.
It's my wife.
Ang kulit talaga ni Malik, nalanggid.
Hi guys.
How are you? Hello everyone! Welcome to my vlog guys. Kamusta na ang lahat? Long time no see.
4-0.
Long time no see guys. Hindi na kami nakakapag-vlog.
4-5.
Kaya ayan, nandito
4-5.
naman tayo ngayon guys.
4-0.
mag-vlog Kasi update natin yung
4-5.
school ni Malik about sa pag-aaral niya.
4-5.
الله خلاص ابو محمد خلاص
Kaya ayan, kamusta ang lahat?
مالك sit down زين يا مالك
Grabe yung traffic, walang samot si Malik. Ayan guys, kompleto kami tatlo. Ayan si Malik. Si Malik. Say hi guys, Malik. Yan lang. Make it loud eh.
Hi guys.
Oh, ayan. Angry? Ayan guys, update lang natin about sa pag-aaral ng Malik. Ngayon magkasama kami tatlo kasi atid namin muna si Malik kasi may nilalakad kami na papers. Kaya atid muna namin si Malik tapos alis kami ni Malik. Regarding pala guys sa school ni Malik, diba, 1 month, 26 ata na isang buwan, sobra na isang buwan. School niya. Noon, diba, nahirapan tayo magturo kay Malik. Kasi nga yung turo ko guys, yung tinuturo ko sa kanya, iba din dun sa school. Kaya, ayun,
I want to go.
nahirapan ako nung una. Malik,
I know.
just listen first, mami.
It's red. It's red. Okay,
Nahirapan ako noon kasi nga iba yung tinuturo din sa school, iba din yung sa akin. Tapos alam nyo naman bata, kung anong tinuro ko. Minsan, kinokorek ko siya yung doon sa school ang pinapalo namin. Sinasabihan niya pa ako na mali daw ang ginagawa ko. Kasi yung tinatama niya, yung dati kong pinuturo sa kanya. So, hindi naman yung tama. Dapat ang sundin naman doon sa school. Kaya noon, nag-leave ako ng 7 days.
It's red.
7 days na tag-half day sa araw.
But what color is it now? What color? What color that?
Kay Malik. Kaya ayun. After nag-improve naman din si Malik. Tapos,
Oh my God.
kasi nga di ba nag-start siya ng second sim na, yung first sim, hindi siya nakakapag-aral nun. Itong second sim lang siya nag-start. Kaya sabi ko baka maano siya ba, kasi yung makasama niya, nakastart na ng school.
It's my wife.
Ang kulit talaga ni Malik, nalanggid. Just stop it, Malik. Narinig niyo yung sabi niya. Traffic kasi dito sa area
بدي
nito.
اسمع هاي بكوز ابو شغله
Kulit ni Malik, nalanggid. Kaya ayun, ngayon guys, pang ilang araw na to na exam nila ng first. Mula nung Tuesday, yung exam nila Tuesday, Wednesday. So, pangatlong araw na ngayon. Kaya naman, nung unang araw nila ng exam, buti naman at alam niya na. Kaya yun, tapos nung umuwi na siya, sabi niya, maghingi daw si teacher niya ng photo. Tapos sinasabi niya na good daw siya sa school. Very good daw siya sa school. Tapos ayun, yung pag-uwi niya din, pinapakita niya yung badge. I said, where's your badge? Show to them your badge. Ayan. Meron siyang badge kasi nilagay doon ni teacher niya sa ayan o, nakalakabit so. Show to them ba? Show to them. What is that?
Batch.
What it's writing there? Language ambassador.
Language ambassador.
Language ambassador.
Language ambassador.
Ayan. Ayan guys. So, language ambassador siya. Pero hindi ko alam kung
Why
ano
say
yan.
that?
Basta yan lang
Why
language
say like
ambassador.
that?
Ang saya niya. Tapos nakita ko doon, yung photo pala na hinihingi niya.
3 stars.
Nilagay doon sa yung parang board sa labas ng room nila. Tsaka nakalagay doon. Mayroong 3 sila na may picture doon. Student of the month, student ambassador, and language ambassador. Kaya ayun, hindi ko alam kung anong meaning niya. Basta happy din kasi hindi mo inaasahan yan. Tapos ayun, saya din ni Malik kasi very good daw siya sa school. Ayun. Tapos yung mga exam niya, yung mga test niya din guys na mga dictation. Okay naman kasi nakikita ko doon. Doon man din sa notebook niya. Napo-perfect niya din yung mga dictation ni teacher niya na number. Tsaka, Malik, sit down.
And we scaring them. They're all like it.
Na ano din, napo-perfect niya din pati yung letters. Dictation yan guys. Kaya ayun sabi ko ay. Pero lang, ang ano niya lang kasi, kung minsan yung 3, nire-revise niya yung pagsulat ba reverse nire-reverse niya yung pagsulat niya ng 3, 5 tsaka 7 yan ang parati niyang nire-reverse.
No, 4, 5, 4, 0.
Okay, tapos ano yung paggalaw-galaw niya dun sa loob ng school medyo okay na, hindi na siya masyadong nagtatakbo sabi ng teacher. Kaya, ayan guys. Yan yung mamaya may ano pa sila, may exam. Hindi pa tapos. Hanggang Monday pa ata yan. Hanggang Monday. Kasi noong unang araw niya, yung exam nila is letters. Dictation ata yun. Tapos, yung connect in the same, connect the letters in the picture. Yun doon. Yung connect siya. Tapos, then what is the letter in the first letter in given picture? Like that. And tapos, ayun, alam niyo din yun
Why
guys.
make it so pickles? What two pickles?
Tapos, ano pa kahapon, ano lang yun, evaluation. Tinatanong sa kanila anong pangalan niya, then about the body, tapos kind of vegetable and fruits, ayan. Tapos mamaya numbers yung dictation, tapos bilangin yung mga picture kung ilan, mga ganyan guys. Kaya iwan lang anong kahapon wala rin akong update kung ano nangyari, pero sabi naman ng teacher okay naman daw siya, pero hindi ko alam sa exam. Kaya ayan, mamaya is ano na naman, numbers. Kaya, ayan guys, yun lang yung update natin sa pag-aaral ni Malik. Yala Malik! Malik! Get Singbi, what is that? The one teacher teach you? God, what is that? God love is so wonderful. Just Singbi. Show to them. Yala.
Okay.
It's that good, Yani. Yala, show to them.
God, that is so wonderful.
You like that? You should stand.
God, that is wonderful.
It's like that when teacher tell you, Malik, okay, yalla, stand up and sing. You should stop. You should stand in. Malik. Wala na eh, just.
I don't know how to sing that. Teacher did not teach me.
Then who teach you this one?
I don't know.
Oh.
I forgot.
Okay, then what is that? How you, which one? Baba Black Sheep.
No, I don't do that.
Okay then.
Baba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 3 bags for you.
Don't touch my dress.
1 for the master, 1 for the day, 1 for the little boy, live down the lane.
Then what else? Ayan kasi, ano yan siya guys, dala din yan sa exam nila, sa Monday ata yan. What else? Numbers. One.
1, 2, buckle my shoe, 3, 4, shirt, 5, 6, lay down, 9,
Huh?
6, 7, pick up the 6,
Huh?
7, 8, pick up the stick, 9, 10, a big fat hand.
Again. You do not make it properly. Yala, make it properly.
1, 2, buckle my shoe, 3, 4, shut the door, 5, 6, lay down, 9, 10, a big fat hand.
Hey, very good. What else? What else? Jack and Jill?
You can do that.
Oh.
Jack and Jill went up the hill, which a little water. Jack fell down and broke her cup, and Jill after.
Finish?
No, you forgot something.
What?
Twinkle, twinkle.
Oh, twinkle, twinkle. Okay.
You say, then I will sing.
Malik, okay. Twinkle, twinkle.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up about the woods, like a diamond. I wonder what you are.
Yay! Very good. Kiss mommy na, be.
Wait,
Yala, kiss na.
something else.
Yala, kiss na, mommy.
You know, the teacher teach me the pig song.
Oh, it's not that good.
I'll show you. The 2, 3 little pigs wanna make house. I don't know.
Okay, then si babay na eh.
Who will teach me the pig?
We are in the
song?
school na. Teacher, I don't know this one niya to sing. Teacher will teach you. You should listen to teacher, okay? And when you are eating, you should sit down. Don't stand up. You should eat first.
Malik, sit down يا مالك. I can't drive like this.
Malik, you should eat, okay? Properly, okay? You should sit down only. Don't move.
Okay.
Make it your bag there. Oh, it's pulled down. Maybe your water. Kaya ayan guys, hanggang dito na lang yung videos, yung vlog natin guys. Kaya
Keep it chapa chapa
thank you so much everyone, and
Keep it chapa.
God bless and keep
Mama,
safe
Manha is bringing her mommy.
always. Ah,
Manha is bringing her mommy.
okay man.
Also, I want to bring you.
Okay, o din si babay na eh.
Bye bye.
Bye
I'll keep what's having
guys.
your right? I'll keep her dead, okay?
Bye.